Any other numbers?
Question number 18.
15. Okay. Next.
12.
So question number 18.
18. Next.
12, sir.
12. Okay.
So question number 22 and 23.
22, 23. Okay. ఇవ్వండి ఎవరు కదమ్మా ఎవరు కదా నాకు తెలిసి రావు నేను నాకు చెప్పి పంపించిన తర్వాత సైన్ చేసి ఉంటాను ఎందుకంటే క్లియర్ కట్గా చెప్పారు ఇయర్ లేదని పంపించమన్నారు చెప్పు యా సో ఫ్రమ్ క్వశ్చన్ నంబర్ 12 I have to start. So first thing you have to revise the note students from the beginning.
Yes, sir.
Because no notes revision important here. Okay. Yeah. See the 12th question. What is the 12th question here? Y equal to given, right?
Yes, sir.
Limit y tends to 0. What is x they are asking? But in the question given that y equal to 1 by inverse 2xy by x square plus y square, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now that means what is the point over here means listen students, press x in terms of y. Okay, x in terms of y. So you need to extract x discussion. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so I can write it as sine inverse of 2xy divided by x square plus y square, right? Then sine 2y equal to, I'm writing sine inverse to this side student, so therefore it's becoming what will be sine. Okay, so 2xy divided by x square plus y square. Okay, so now you need x, no? We need your x, right?
Yes.
Because if when y tends to 0, what is the limit of the function x they are asking here? So completely see, you are applying limit for which function here? X, correct? Your function is x, no students?
Yes.
Hello? Your function is x means limit is for y. So entire thing x should be converted in terms of y. So that is what I'm doing right now. Because there is a formula here, inverse trigonometry, but see, you can divide throughout by y by x, sorry, y x square. You can divide throughout by x square, then you will get like this, no? If you divide throughout by x square.
Yes, sir.
Then y by x will take it as tan theta, because 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then y equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse. Now I'm taking that y by x is tan theta, then it is like sine 2 theta. So therefore here this y is equal to 1 by 2 sine inverse sine gets cancelled actually together, inverse and normal function. So we have 2 also cancel, which is equal to theta. So what is the theta again from here? Theta is nothing but tan inverse of
Y by
y by x. Tan inverse of y by x, correct? Y value is theta. What is the theta? I'm writing from here. Theta is nothing but tan inverse, little bit inverse trigonometry here. But we need x in terms of y, right? So therefore bring the tan to this side. So it will become tan y equal to y by x. We need x, no? So that's why I have to write x equal to y by tan y. Y by tan y. So now our limit is limit y tends to 0. What is the x? Tell me. Y by tan y. But we know tan y by y, right or not? So that's why we'll write this as 1 by tan y by y. So what is tan y by y? Answer.
1.
That's okay. Students, is that okay? See from here, I'm dividing by x square, numerator and denominator, then I got. Then in this place, I'm taking tan theta. Then I am applying this formula. So therefore, it's becoming like this. Then here inverse and this function gets cancelled, theta. There is a rule here for what values and all. We have all this. Next question after 12. Quick.
15.
15. Yeah, you have sent Noma this question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you substitute x tends to 1, what is the answer? If you substitute x is 1, what is the answer?
So 1 power infinity.
1 power infinity. So if it is 1 power infinity, to simplify. Method we have, right?
Yes, sir.
That method if you apply, where you are finding difficulty. This is the question, students. If you substitute x tends to 1, see here 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4, 1, 5. Anything I missed? No.
No, so it's 5 by 5.
Not 5 by 5, no, 5 by 6
5 by
coming,
6.
right?
6.
Full power.
It is 5 by 6. Correct?
Yes.
5 by 6, so no problem. Now what about this? So this is existing, no problem, no?
Yes, we have to simplify the top one.
We need to simplify this one. So if you simplify this, again now it is in what form? If it is a 0 by 0 form, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then we'll apply trigonometry or L'Hospital rule. Trigonometry means what is 1 minus cos theta formula?
2 sin square.
1 minus cos theta.
Sin
2
by theta by
sine square theta by 2.
and,
Correct?
x minus 1 whole square.
X minus 1 by 2 the whole square into 4 you can write now.
Yes, sir.
Students, why I'm writing like this? Tell me. Now this become 1, right? Then 5 by 6 whole power. If it is 1 means 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. That's the answer.
So can you please solve it using L'Hospital rule once?
Differentiation, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 5 by 6 power I'm talking, students. Limit x tends to 1. 1 minus cos x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 the whole square. It is in the form of 0 by 0. So we need to differentiate separately numerator and denominator. 1 is 0 minus derivative of cos is sine
X minus
x minus 1 into derivative of that part also, which is 1. Okay, divided by here. Now it is like x square, ma. Remember, it is like x square. What is the derivative of x square first?
2x.
2x.
2 into x minus 1 into derivative of that part again, x minus 1. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is that okay, ma? Otherwise, suppose this idea you are not getting, then open bracket here. Okay?
Okay,
Open
sir.
the bracket. Now differentiate. What is the derivative of x square?
2x.
2x. And derivative of minus 2. So now, what happened here? Tell me. It is 5 by 6. See, actually derivative of cos is minus sign, right? So that's why it will become plus. So then this part become 1, right? Then
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 is answer.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next question.
So
Next.
question number 18.
18. 17, all of you done? Good question. Okay. Please check it. If not done, you can ask. 18th one. Limit x tends to 0, tan to the power of 4x minus sine to the power of 4x upon x to the power of 6. Correct. So here if you substitute x tends to 0, it is in the form of 0 by 0. So it is not existing. Right or not, students? So then limit x tends to 0. What I'm doing means here I'm taking sine to the power of 4x for general simplification. Then it is becoming like 1 minus cos to the power of 4x minus 1 by 1 x to the power of 4 I'm writing and x square I'm keeping over here. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Why I'm doing like this, tell me, so that it will become 1 no?
Yes, sir.
So some simplification happening. Then we are having 1 minus cos to the power of 4x divided by x, so cos to the power of 4x is there. Is it right or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Now again, if I put the limit as x tends to 0 over here, it will become cos 0. Cos 0 is 1, no?
Yes, sir.
1 means no problem, right? I can leave and can take this, no?
So 1
Friends?
minus cos 4x is nothing but sin.
But now still it is in the form of 0 by 0. Which means I'm writing this as 1 minus cos square x into 1 plus cos square x. Is that fine? A square minus b, a square minus b square. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then limit x tends to 0. What is 1 minus cos square x?
Sine square x.
2 sine
By
square.
sine square x. And here it is 1 plus cos square x. Now if I apply limit to this function which is 1, correct?
Yes.
And here it is 2. So answer is to last part.
Yes, sir.
Hello? What about next second part in 18th? You only have to tell now. What to do? Possibly you try to apply the formula. See in this question, not like simply noting down the answer, students. Please think about the question and where you can apply formula first so that simplification you finish. Later you can think about remaining part. Suppose here you can apply, this is the question, correct? You can apply the, see, listen here first, and I'll give time to copy even from the above one also. Listen, because the entire thing, that is the advantage in limits. The entire function, no need to simplify at a time. You can do it by part also. X to the power of 5. Here you can write x to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 5. You can write, no, students?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Then this part becoming 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Then what is there here? Limit x tends to 0. Tan power 8x minus sine power 8x divided by x to the power of 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
sir.
Now do like above. I'll wait. Do like above. Take sine to the power of 8 common. Sine to the power of 8. I did not hear sine to the power of 4. I took common. Did you observe here, students? Same powers now left. 4 is there in the power. The denominator. Now 8 is there. In the denominator we have what? 10.
Yeah.
Then same scenario it will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Check it. But number may be constant, may be differ. Do it. Do it a minute. I'll be back. Yeah. Any answer, students?
So 4, sir.
Where is the difference compared to previous question, ma? At sine
Here
to
it-
cos to the power of 4, right? You
Yes,
are
sir.
getting 1 minus cos to the power of 8, correct?
Yes, sir.
That 1 minus cos to the power of 8, we are breaking up like 1 minus cos to the power of 4 into 1 minus 1 plus cos to the power of 4. Then after that, this one we are writing like 1 minus cos square and 1 plus cos square. And this is there as it is again. This is what actually in the simplification you got. Later we have written this as sine square x, and this is 1 plus cos square x, and this is 1 plus cos to the power of 4x. So now totally divided by x square, if you do, it is becoming 1, and it is 2, and this is also 2. So that's why 4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now can you do third one? I will wait. Fourth, I will explain that hyperbolic is there, no? That's what. Do third one. Solve third one. Actually, this hyperbolic concept is now removed from the both advanced and main syllabus everywhere. No questions actually, but in this question it is mixed up. Third one answer.
3 by 2, sir.
Yes.
Third one
Sir,
answer.
even I got
All of
3
you
by
got
2.
3 by 2. Okay. So they're asking here, arrange the following limits in the ascending order, right? Okay. So first one 2, next 4, next 3 by 2. So what is the first order? 2, no? 4, 2, 1. Ascending order they are asking.
Sir, 3, no, sir.
3, sir.
First 3, that's what, 4, number 4. Ascending order, so smallest to largest, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fourth one, what is this fourth? Now understand, this is sin hx, okay? And did you remember, students, I said the formula for e power x expansions we have to do. What is e power x expansion? Anybody remember?
1 plus x by 1 factorial plus
Good.
x square by 2 factorial.
X square by 2 factorial and x cube by 3 factorial. Like this it continues, correct? And then okay. What about e power minus x? In the place of x, we have to write minus x. Then now difference. That by 2, if you do, what we are getting? Okay, no? Okay, is that clear, students, all of you? But in the fourth, there is a tan square x, so therefore I'm taking x square and multiplying with x square. All of you following, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then this part is becoming 1. Okay. So this part is becoming 1. Okay, no?
CC mark report.
So there x square, which is 1 left. Then tell me now, limit x tends to 0. You can answer actually from this now. Tan to the power of 5 minus sine to the power of 5 divided by x to the power of 4, and this term is there. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Then next step, what we are going to do? Tends to 0. You are going to take
Sine of 4x.
sine to the power of 5. Sine to the power of 5. There is x to the power of 4. And what is e power x minus e power minus x by 2?
X.
X by 1 factorial,
Plus
x cube by 3 factorial, x to the power of 5 by 5 factorial. This continues until infinity and the whole cube. Okay. Is that okay, students? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Now here, sine to the power of 5, 1 minus cos to the power of 5x by cos to the power of 5x, x to the power of 4. Here you can take x cube common, 1 by 1 factorial, x square by 3 factorial, x by 5 factorial, like this until cube. Hello.
No,
Is
sir.
that okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, limit x tends to 0, sine to the power of 5, and here x to the power of 5 I will take out of these two, which is 1. Then this 1 minus cos to the power of 5 by,
Square.
here what we have? 1, no it is. If I substitute x tends to 0 to this, it is 1, so no problem. And here out of 7 I used 5 here, so more square is there. Into 1 plus x square by 3 factorial and x to the power of 4 by 5 factorial whole cube. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now, how?
In the last part, we substitute x and x squared by 3 factorial and x power 4 by
Okay,
5.
here if I substitute, this and all are 0, neglect it 1 only, but it is still in the form of 0 by 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not, students?
Yes.
So, I am asking here, what is the formula for this? I've given recently also. What is the formula to this?
Power of n minus 1.
No. X to the power of n minus 1 plus x to the power of n minus 2 into a. Do you remember this, students, all of you? X to the power of n minus 3 into a square. Like that, this continues until a power n minus 1, no? Now, even this also, like 1 minus cos to the power of 5x also we don't know, no? That's why I'm writing like this. So what I can write here? 1 minus cos x, correct? 1 plus cos to the power of, see, n is what here? N is 5 now. Hello? You can compare
sir.
with x and with a and answer it then.
Cos cube.
Cos
Cos cube, sir.
Cos x, sir. Plus cos square x. Plus cos cube x.
Next, cos to the power of 4. Correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Limit x tends to 0. In the place of 1 minus cos to the power of 5x, I can write 1 minus cos x
Plus
x plus cos square x plus cos cube x plus cos to the power of 4x divided by 1x square. Remaining, I'll substitute 0 and neglect that. Is that okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Now still it is in the form of 0 by 0 only. So what to do?
So 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sin square x by 2.
Then rest all, if I substitute 0 also, 1, 1, 1, 5, no?
Yes, by x square into
X square. Next step we will,
by 4.
next step we'll do that. That is 2 into 5, 10, I'm writing separately. Sin x by 2 by x by 2
Whole square.
into 2 the whole square. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Then this part becoming 1, no, students?
Yes, sir. So it will become
So answer is 10 by
X by
4, which is
I do.
clear. Last one, fourth part, because of that hyperbolic function, we are having small difficulty. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
So any type of powers, if they give like this, first thing what you need to do, tell me, see, today I'm also going to send you an assignment. Formula, basic formula we need to create in the given function. Then you can solve. Okay, next. Note down. All of you clear or not? You have to remember this expansion. I gave 5 to 6 expansions, right? Log x expansion, e power x expansion, sin x expansion, 1 log of 1 plus x expansion, 1 plus x whole power 1 by x expansion. These 6 expansions I have given, students. Okay. Students, anybody, any step it's not clear to you, please. Any step, if it is not clear, next number, ma. After 18.
So 21.
Limit x tends to 2, 2 power x, 2 power 3 minus x, minus 6 divided by root of 2 power minus x minus 2 power 1 minus x. If you substitute 2 in the place of x, it's in the form of 0 by 8. Substitute in the place of x 4 plus 2 6 minus 6 0 and 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. minus 1 by 2. 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Students? Here, even last year mains also they asked questions based on this simplification idea. Nothing here. Problem like simplification only the major part here. That is limit everything reduced into one type of power like positive or negative, whatever you like. Suppose 2 power x plus 8 by 2 power x minus 6. Is that fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And this one you can write actually, see it is x plus x by 2, no? The meaning of this. Root if I remove.
Yes, sir.
Then limit x tends to 2 power x the whole square plus 8 minus 6 times 2 power x divided by whole 2 power x is there. The whole divided by again. You can write 1 by 2 power x by 2 minus 2 by 2 power x. Is that okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now this is limit x tends to 2. See here, you cannot see x minus 2 term, you cannot remove here because that is not there. So total simplification we have to do. So which is 2 power x the whole square minus 6 times 2 power x plus 8 by 2 whole divided by, again you can write this as, because 2 power minus x whole power root we have written 1 by 2, that is 2 power minus x by 2. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Now remaining term, this simplification here, that is directly if you take LCM, 2 power x minus 2 power x by 2. One second, I am taking 2 power x only LCM. In the denominator. LCM in the denominator, you can take 2 power x. Then here what I have to write, students? 2 power x by 2 I have to take, no? Hello?
Yes.
I'm talking about this LCM, students. 2 power x, if I'm taking LCM means there is already 2 power x by 2, then more 2 power x by 2 I have to take, right? Then I can cancel this 2 power x and 2 power x. So limit x tends to 2. We have now like a quadratic equation in terms of 2 power x. This one 2 power x by 2 minus 2. Now this 2 power x, this one, I can write it like, it's like some x square minus 6x plus 8. Then what are the factors to this?
4 and 2.
So you can write this as x minus 2 into x minus 4, no? In the same way, I am going to write this as 2 power x minus 2 into minus 4. Is that fine, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Next, another one, 2 power x by 2 minus 2. Here what I am doing now, 2 power x by 2 plus 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. I am multiplying and dividing because everywhere we have 2 power x, but here there is a 2 power x by 2, no?
Yes.
So now limit x tends to 2, 2 power x minus 2 into 2 power x minus 4 into 2 power x by 2 plus 2 divided by this, you can write now 2 power x minus 4. Is it right?
Yes.
A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Now this term is cancelled here. If you substitute x tends to 2, it is 2 power 4. 2 power 2 power 2, 4 minus into 2 power x is to 2 by 2, which is 1, 2 plus 2. So 2 into 4, which is equal to 8. You can do by normal L'Hospital rule also. You want me to do with that? Because formula you have to know, differentiation.
Okay, sir.
Next, any other questions, students?
The 22nd question.
Like that model we did in logarithm, but power is different. That's it. 22nd. Limit extends to infinity. X into a power 1 by x minus b power 1 by x. Suppose directly if you substitute x tends to 1 by infinity, what is 1 tends to 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Then a power 0, a power 1 by x will become 1, right then?
Yes, sir.
And b power 1 by x is also 1. So it is now in the form of like 0 into infinity. So which is not determined.
Yes, sir.
So therefore limit extends to infinity. A power 1 by x minus b power 1 by x divided by 1 by x. Can we write like?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now suppose, directly we can say formula. Suppose if you take 1 by x is y, as x tends to y infinity, y tends to 0, no?
Yes, sir.
So instead of x tends to infinity, I'm writing y tends to 0. Now it is like a power y minus b power y by y. Regarding this, yesterday even you only replied with that's it. Next.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next. Students. Okay, now remaining until 25, all your doubts clear, I hope.
So can you once do the
Yeah.
21st with the
What is the derivative of a power x more? D by dx of a power x formula.
A by x into log a.
A power x log a to the base c. Right. That formula, if you know, you can answer it. Otherwise, you cannot. So which is 2 power x plus 2 power 3 minus x minus 6 divided by x by 2 minus 2 power 1 by x. Like this I'm writing. Now I'm applying this formula repeatedly, but my selection of x may be vary. Okay. Accordingly, I have to suppose what is the derivative of a power certain function there means answer is a power that function into log a to the base c into derivative of that function. That is what chain rule in the differentiation. If x is there, no problem. This is the formula. If it is not there, then but also we consider the variable same and do the first step normal and the next whatever there in that place, no, that derivative. Now what is the derivative of 2 power x? 2 power x log 2. Okay. And what is the derivative of 2 power 3 minus x? 2 power 3 minus x log 2 into derivative of that part. Got it? That is what difference between and other part. Clear? And the derivative of 6 is 0. Neglect it. Divided by Again here, derivative of only x is there or something else? Some other variable is there. So what is its derivative? 2 power minus x by 2 log 2 to the base e into derivative of that part, whatever it is. Yeah. And minus, again here 2 power something is there. So 2 power 1 minus x into derivative of 1 minus x.
2 with
Now log 2, yeah, here log 2 to the base. So now if you observe in the entire discussion, log 2 to the base e, log 2 to the base e gets cancelled. What is left now? 2 power x
plus 2 power 3
plus 2 power 3 minus x into derivative of 3 is 0, derivative of minus x is minus 1.
minus 1.
Divided by here 2 power minus x by 2 into of minus x by 2 minus 1 by 2 will write outside and derivative of x is how much? 1. So here this to do this L'Hospital rule, no, little confusion will be there to you. Still we are not good in differentiation, no, that's why. So which is minus 1, then it will become plus 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you substitute x tends to 0, sorry 2. X tends to 2 in this. What happened? 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 minus 2 into minus 1 divided by 2 power minus 1 into minus 1 by 2 plus 2 power 1 minus 2. So we'll check it now. What is the answer here? 4. What is 2 power 1 minus 2, which is 2? Here it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. It's 1 by 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, which is 2 divided by, LCM is 4 here again, minus 1 plus 2, which is 8 by 1. Answer is 8. You got, or there also 8 only, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But the differentiation is difficult to you because we have not done the differentiation in that level, right? Still, that's all. So after differentiation, this chapter is comfortable. Anything else, friends? So for tomorrow, okay, again from our material from 26 to 52. 26 to how to ask, how to solve. See your friends how they ask the questions and how we discussed. In that way, I need interactions from remaining students also. Those who are asking doubts means you are at least you are spending some time, like what I'm trying to say about that. No one asking, you're not asking any doubt means obviously you have not revised anything. So then how is the marks and all? And if you call names also, you are not speaking. That's why only we also like let it be how much ever it go, let it go like that. We are also, our mindset also going like that way. That is not correct. Many times I said, but still no response. You need to ask when you are solving, you have to ask how many times we can call your name only tell me, because we have to continue with the subject. That is important here. Other doubts is there, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll continue with the topics. Okay.
What was the message that you sent in group, sir? KVPY.
KVPY model papers I have sent, and because January 31st you have exam, no? Regarding that to apply also we informed whoever interested in the 11th standard you applied, those to write you can. Otherwise you can apply next year because both the times they are conducting. Got it?
Yes, sir.
You will come under SA, no?
Yes, sir.
SX is 12th. Who are in 12th or SB is for, okay? SA, SX, SB. SA means you have the limited like +1 syllabus only. You can go through all that. It's there in the KVPO website. And even the documents, what is required also in the hall ticket backside. Because whenever we're trying to, because every year they are keep on changing the instructions. This time to check all ticket, I'm not able to download because I need the credentials. Go through. I hope, as per my knowledge, you need to carry a valid identity proof, maybe ID card from school, but you did not get this time still. So you can take your Aadhaar card or passport, whatever, along with the admit card. Okay. Next year, no problem, because
study certificate is not required, sir.
Not required, no, ma. That's what you go through that, because I don't have the hall ticket, ma. If hall ticket backside or in the hall ticket, clear instructions will be there.
I
Follow
will
that.
send you, sir.
Yeah.
Send
You
you
just
my
send,
hall
ma.
ticket, sir.
Yeah, okay, I will check it. I will
Sir,
check it.
does the document need to be
Okay.
original, or can we have a Xerox copy of it?
No, original only. With clear photo. Okay. Photo should be clear. Yeah. Today we are discussing another model, students. Very important model it is. Like limit exist. Concept is what? Tell me. Limit exist, then finding unknowns. In the mains exam and in advanced, no, they're asking mainly this type of questions. Okay. Because this month, February month, we are going to write, your seniors are going to write 6 exams in JEE Main. So from limits chapter, everybody compulsory to get the question. That is like, because one question weightage in the JEE Mains exam. So all the methods, if you thorough know, so you can cross check whether you are, in the right direction or not in terms of JEE Main preparation. Okay. Yeah. So first thing, listen here, students. First question. I'm going to discuss the numericals first, and then I'll come back to our material questions. Okay. What is the limit existing? When can we consider? Suppose one function is there in the form of 0 by 0. Is that we have to end over there? Consideration over there, students,
We have some
to proceed? Yes, still we can consider certain concept, and we can move forward to solving the numerical.
Yes.
So that is what here we have to follow. Okay, right? Suppose if limit existing and it is finite, if they are saying, then obviously we need to continue that part, right?
Yes, sir.
Even though if it is initially 0 by 0, are we living over there only like 0 by 0? We don't know, does not exist like that, or continue?
We continue, sir.
Continue. So that is the idea here. Clear, students, all of you?
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
But to continue, there is a rule that when can you continue to further step, if it is 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if 0 is there in denominator, numerator is also 0. If 0 is there in the denominator, numerator is also infinity. By that way considering, we are moving to the next one. Correct or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see, for example, limit x tends to, see, little analyzing concept it is, not like blindly applying limits and solving. Please carefully observe, and you can ask your doubt. Limit x tends to 3, x cube x square plus 5x plus 12 divided by x square minus 7x plus 12, limit exist finitely. They are saying that this limit exists finitely. What do you mean by limit exists finitely, students? So the limit of this function is existing and its answer is finite. That's the meaning, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now first substitute the limit here as 3. What it is going to be? 27 plus 9c plus 15 plus 12 divided by 9
9
minus 21 plus 12, which is equal to 9c plus 54, correct?
divided by 0.
Divided by 0. Now when can I consider that because it is infinity, no, actually.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But they are saying it exists finitely. What should I do now? But they are saying that it exists finitely. What I have to do? What is the consideration I have to make?
So the denominator should not be 0.
Denominator already 0. Denominator, because 9 minus 21 minus 21, 0. No discussion over there. You have to accept.
So the top one should also be 0.
That is what you need to consider to further continue.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. So that we can go to
Then it is in the does not exist situation. Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Now it is in the form of 0, not infinity. It is in the form of 0 by 0. So because of this flexibility, you will get the value of C here. Correct?
yes.
What is the value? 6.
Yeah.
That is what we have to do. Clear or not, students?
Yes, sir.
Now, accordingly, what is the limit? Still, we did not get the limit value. You just got C,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Then I'm substituting that C back and I'm getting the limit now. Substituting it back. Clear, students? Now, if I substitute x tends to 3, it's in the form of 0 by 0. Check it.
Yes, sir.
Now, what I can do? I can apply L'Hospital rule now.
Yes, sir.
Derivative of x cube is 3x
Correct.
square, no,
Minus-
students? 6 into 2x plus 5, right?
Yes.
Derivative of x square 2x and derivative of x is 1 and derivative of
Zero.
constant it is 0.
2x minus
2x
7.
minus 7. That's it. Now substitute x tends to 3. What is the value here? 27, 36 plus 5.
Plus 5 divided by minus 1. 6 minus
2 3s are 6 minus 7. So 32 minus 36 minus 4 upon minus 1. Answer is 4. Don't copy. First think what I am doing, what I am discussing here. What is the point, our main point of discussion? That's what I said before solving a numerical. Clear or not, students? What is the discussion? Directly we substituted x tends to 3 in the function. After doing this, what happened?
not the value
For
of
doing this,
C.
We got C.
we got infinity actually. Correct? We
Yes,
got infinity, but they are saying in the question this limit exists finitely, so therefore it should not be infinity. But denominator already manipulate over there. So numerator also we consider 0, so that it became like a does not exist situation. So you are allowed to follow the L'Hospital rule. Correct? If you are ending up with above discussion, your answer is infinity.
Yes.
Okay. For what value of C it is infinity? Any value of C it is infinity. There is no importance of C there then. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good point is there, students. Please analyze and ask. No problem. Today,
They asked us to find the value of C, no, sir. Should we still simplify
Yeah.
it further?
no. Suppose if they ask after finding C, what is the value of limit means?
Okay, sir. That time we should do this.
Yes.
Okay.
If they ask only finding at unknown, you can leave at, after by getting that. Suppose after that they may ask corresponding limit also.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Sir, it is AX, no, sir?
Where ma?
Yeah.
AX. A, small a.
Yes, sir.
This limit exists. This limit exists, and we have to find a and the limit also. Same thing.
Yes.
Yes, I'll wait, students. Please carry on. Same procedure. You can discuss, whoever not understand above example, you can ask me what is the point. Because if you think no, then you'll come to know what is the difficulty in the question.
A is
A is 15, done.
-1, sir.
One second. Ma. A value you got 15. Huh?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
A value is 15. Total answer is -1. Very good. Who responded first? Who is that, ma?
And yes, sir.
Sanjay. SR or Sanjay Murthy?
Yes, sir.
SR. Very good. Very good. Simple. Just above technique you need to follow. You can ask. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can ask with me. Hello. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. Is that okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Shall I continue with this type of numerical few?
Yes, sir.
So what is the final answer, sir?
-1.
-1.
Okay, sir.
Next question. Limit x tends to infinity. X square minus 1 upon x plus 1 minus ax minus b to 2. This limit also given as 2. Then we need to find the values of a and b. So what do you mean by this question, students? So this limit exists finitely
Yes,
or
sir,
not?
it does.
And the limit value is also given. Like see, previously you calculated limit value as 1 or -1, 2, like that,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Like that value also given. What to do? So see, these type of questions, no? First you take the LCM so that you will come to know numerator denominator with more clarity. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then we can go for simplification. So ax into x plus 1 minus b into x plus 1 equal to 2. So this is limit x tends to infinity. X square minus 1 minus ax square minus ax minus bx minus b upon 1 equal to 2. Okay. Then limit x tends to infinity. X square 1 minus a. Clear, students? X a plus b minus 1 minus b divided by x plus 1. Now, like yesterday, we discussed that limit at infinite. Here, please observe 1 second. Degree of numerator is more than degree of denominator. What is your answer? See, students, I am writing 3 points here. Please listen, all of you. Suppose here x square x and here x plus 1 is there. What happened?
It becomes infinity.
And here, yeah. So here, if it is like this, what happened?
0.
If both are same, what happened? This is the point here. Tell me,
The
here
first
what
one
happened?
will be infinity
0.
0 and third one is 1 by 1.
1.
Yeah.
Correct? All of you clear now, students? When you, because limit at infinite means we'll take it common, right? Now, suppose this 2 power 2 is there as it is, its answer is always infinity only, no? If power 2 continues here. Correct or not, students? If power 2 x square continues in the numerator, then your answer is always infinity only. Correct?
Minus a should be 0.
Very good. Very good. Why 1 minus a to be
So
0?
that x square term will be released.
X square term will be removed from the function. Then you can consider that its limit is finite, not 2.
Yeah.
Correct? Its limit is finite. Later we'll make that as 2, then we'll get the answer. Is that okay
Yes,
or not,
sir.
students? Please
Yes,
check
sir.
once. All of you. It's not like simply taking steps, student. Guarantee there is a good discussion is there. Please involve. And you can ask anything not clear to you. What I am discussing here, this is a limit at infinite, but degree in the numerator is bigger than the denominator. As it is, if I substitute infinity, it's going to be infinity. Because you are taking x square common, there is no x square over here. So x will retain in the numerator. Since x is there in the numerator, always it is infinity. But in the question, they are saying that limit exists and equal to 2. That means we don't want x square. So you cannot make x is 0. X is 0 means then here also 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Then its coefficient will make 0. Coefficient if you make 0 means a minus 1 equal to 0. That means a equal to 1. Condition 1, we got it. Okay. After this one as 0, then you can rewrite the function still. What is the function we are having? X into a plus b minus 1 minus b divided by x plus 1. Now what they are telling no here in the question, again this answer is 2. So now both the places degrees are same, no, students? You can take it common. If you take it common, then what happened?
Minus b
Minus 1 by x minus b by x divided by again x common 1 plus 1 by x. X and x gets cancelled. Now if you substitute x tends to infinity, this is 0,
Yes,
no,
sir.
students? This is also 0, no?
And then same
This is also 0. Then what is left
minus
now?
a
Minus
minus
of
b divided by 1 is equal to 2.
already you know a, no? You can substitute here and get b,
Yes,
right?
sir. So it's minus 3.
Okay. Still discussion, it's not clear. Please ask. Before solving the limit at infinity, these are the 3 possibilities. One possibility, degree of numerator is bigger than denominator. One possibility, degree of numerator is smaller than degree of denominator. Second possibility, both degrees are same. This is third possibility. It is infinite. In the second possibility, it is 0. Next possibility, we have to see that whatever the coefficients are there here, there we have to take x square common and answer, not like always 1 only. It depends on the coefficient, whatever we are having at x square. Clear? Now, after taking LCM, we got this type of function here. Please listen here, students, again. We got this. But if I continue as it is, there is an means it is in the first case, right? It's like first case, no, roughly. So answer is going to be infinite, but they are saying in the question that it is 2. So therefore, that x square should not be there. So x square should not be there means not that variable absence we can do. We cannot. Okay. Its coefficient we made it 0. Then that variable presence also cancelled at that place of with a degree. So a value we got 1. After getting a value 1, and that because of that consideration, then our function is like this now. After this, now it's everywhere same power is there of the variable. So we are taking common because limit at infinity means maximum powers common. No, that only we are doing here. After that, we got this answer. Clear, students? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
From your class, only 18 are attending. That's it, or what? Strength is only this much, or what?
Sir, the other classes, there are other batches coming, so we don't know.
No, 25 class strength, no. 29 is actually 1 or 2 different reasons absent also, it should be. Even in other class, now also students are there from other branch.
Yes, sir.
You can try this question, same model, right?
Yes.
Yeah, still few more questions are there, but there you need little more clarity with L'Hospital rule. So that's why I'll complete that and I'll come back. Today we'll discuss about L'Hospital rule and that simplification. Any answers, students?
A is
And B is minus
A
1.
is 1. One second. This exercise. 15th question. A equal to 1, B minus 1, correct answer. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 1, correct answer. Is that okay, or you want me to solve? Students, is this okay, or you want me to solve?
It's okay, sir.
It's okay, sir.
Next question. Limit x to infinity. So it is in what form, students, if we substitute a limit here? Infinity.
Infinity plus infinity.
Infinity minus infinity.
So x is minus. So it's infinity
Yeah,
plus infinity plus 1 whole under.
no, infinity minus infinity plus infinity, no. Infinity minus infinity is there here.
So
Okay,
x
so
is minus infinity. So
then what happened here?
it's only x square will be infinity only, minus x will turn to plus infinity. So
I'm not talking about this, ma. Here what happened?
it will become infinity.
Okay, so that's why we don't know that, right? Does not
Yes, sir.
exist. So we'll go for what? Tell me, rationalizing. So what is the rationalizing term of this? It's an irrational function, no?
Yes.
Then other next option to us is rationalizing only, no, students?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hello? So I'm doing rationalizing with that. Yes. Okay, right? All of you,
Yes, sir.
students, following now? All of you following this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now simplify it. What is the answer? It's like now a plus b into a minus b. A minus b square. Calculus actually, okay, like other chapters means like multiple times revision needed, students. But calculus is not like that. In one shot, it will be digested. So please concentrate. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Now like above numerical, what I need to do now? Because x square minus x plus 1 minus, I can expand this now by using, I'm doing very slowly with detail, students. Normally, bit with speed we can do, but I'm doing. Please observe, all of you.
So it should be square root.
Yeah. Now,
And B.
That's a square.
okay. Limit extends to minus infinity. X square, if you take common, what happens, students? Tell me. 1 minus a square. Like last previous question only I'm doing. Okay. X common, minus 1 plus 2ab. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus 1 minus b square.
Yes, sir.
Here, x square is there under root. Correct? Is there under root. But x I can write outside, right?
Yes, sir.
By writing 1 minus x plus 1 by x square, students. Can I write x square outside?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so overall, what you can assume here, like before, degree of numerator is larger than degree of denominator, no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, what should be happen?
0.
What should be happen? And its coefficient should be 0, right? Like, so 1 minus a square equal to 0. That is condition number 1. So you got a value also. Is that clear, students, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is left now in the limit? Limit x tends to minus infinity. X square already you have taken common, means made it 0. So therefore, what is left here? X into minus 1 plus a plus 2b plus 1 minus b square divided by x. And here if I substitute x tends to minus infinity, it is 0 and it is also 0, no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I can just leave x. Can I just
Yes,
leave
sir.
like x?
Yes, sir.
Now both the places degrees are same. So therefore you can take it common and simplify, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you take x common, then what is left here in the numerator?
2a.
Plus 1 minus b square by x, right?
Yes, sir.
Here also we are taking x common. Since powers are equal, I'm taking common. X common, 1 minus a plus b by x. Is that fine, students?
Yes, sir.
Now x and x cancel. X and x cancel. If you substitute x tends to infinity, it is 0 and it is also 0. So then what is left? They are given that this is equal to 0 in question. So what will be left now, students, if we substitute x
Minus 1 plus 2ab.
plus 2ab
By
by
Minus a.
equal to 0, no?
So we substitute the value of x becoming minus 1.
No. Before that, there is a restriction. What is the restriction? 1 minus a should not be
Yes,
0, no?
sir.
If it is 0, then it is not in 0, right, students? Infinity, no, if it is 0.
Yes.
Because of this, we got this extra condition not be 1. So whatever you are taking like a, you can take it, but it should not be 1. If it is 1 means here this is not 0. Correct or not?
Should be minus 1.
That is next ma. I'm talking about this condition. Here as per this condition, correct? It should not be 0, right? If it is 0, then what is the problem if it is 0? If this becomes 0, what will happen?
Infinity.
It will become infinity, right? That's why. But our answer is 0, no?
Yes, sir.
Clear. Denominator should not be
0.
0.
this 0. This fraction denominator should not be 0. After that, now you can consider. So what you have to write now from here?
So we can take it as minus 1.
Minus 1 plus 2ab equal to 0.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
But this is also the condition. But we know all equal to 1. So a equal to, normally we used to take plus or minus 1. But now plus 1 minus 1, we are not taking plus 1 because of this restriction. So therefore a equal to minus 1. To decide that, it is useful. Okay. A is minus 1. Now you can talk about B, no, students?
So b is
Minus 1 by 2.
minus 1 by
That's it. That is the answer. Please observe here, students. Normal simplification is there and the small function existing is also.
Yes, sir.
So actually this is a part of calculus. Calculus means function value under different conditions we are going to find. NCERT order is like this. Actually, functions chapter is there in +2, but limits is there in the +1. After functions, you will come to know more clarity why it is, what is domain, range. That's what, however, minimum information, whatever required, I shared. But you need to know, then only this chapter will be easy to. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I give one more question of the same model, students, for your practice?
Yes, sir.
Limit extends to -infinity. Same model I'm giving. Please apply the same steps. You will come to know the simplification. Next, you can do quickly also. This is 0. You have to find A and B. I'm telling answer is -1 and 1/2. Okay, answer. Try this. Along with that, see, in this question, limit extends to infinity. Here, no more constants, just simplification, rationalizing and simplification.
Sir, in the top
You
question,
can do, no, students?
those curve brackets, they don't, they just,
Sorry, ma?
the curve brackets which you have put, they're the fraction part of function.
No. That is their specific, no, normal brackets only. Specific function, if they are using, they'll mention in the question. I'm not writing like that. Okay. Yeah, this question you can do, no, students, this one. Just rationalizing only. No constants, rationalizing and evaluating limit.
Yes.
Questions along with that numbers what I said from material, please solve. Okay. Today, Wednesday, right?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, differentiation only we need to concentrate. Okay. Please solve the material questions and ask. Today, I think 5-6 questions you clarified out of 25. But so, please spend time to solve these numericals. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.